We're doing the right thing. We're going to keep with it, and they can protest all they want. We're just going to double down and enforce the law.
That is the message today from the nation's border czar regarding the federal immigration crackdown happening nationwide. The epicenter right now is Minnesota, where an ICE agent shot and killed a woman 1 week ago today. That incident set off widespread protests and legal fights. CBS News has confirmed there are now nearly 3,000 federal agents on the ground in Minnesota. Homeland Security says it has made roughly 2,500 arrests since the surge began in December. The state of Minnesota and the Twin Cities sued to try to stop the federal crackdown from continuing. At a hearing this morning, a federal judge made no immediate decision on that request. Our Esme Murphy explains why.
The 80-page lawsuit from Minneapolis, St. Paul, and the state of Minnesota argues the ICE raids have brought danger and fear to the streets of the Twin Cities. The Assistant Attorney General Brian Carson said the situation is escalating. Defendants have sent now nearly 3,000 masked, heavily armed agents to the site, to the Twin Cities, and they are engaged in a pattern of unlawful, violent conduct, illegal racial profiling, excessive force, warrantless force, entries into homes, and they are openly flaunting state criminal code. The judge, by not making a ruling on a TRO, stressed that she did not want that to be interpreted incorrectly. Judge Kate Menendez said, "I think the issues are really important, and I don't want to suggest by not acting immediately, one way or the other, that I think they are unimportant. To the contrary, I understand this is important to everybody." Legal analyst Joe Tamburino said the lawsuit is seeking something unprecedented.
What they're asking is that the federal government cannot use their law enforcement authority in a city. It would be like asking the federal court to bar the FBI, the ATF, the U.S. Marshal Service, Secret Service.
The next step in this case comes Monday, January 19th. That's the deadline the judge set for the federal government to file its response. One of the prosecutors asked if that date could be postponed because it is the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. The judge replied, no, it could not be postponed because she said this case is too important to too many people here. With photojournalist Joe Kaczynski, Esme Murphy, WCCO News.
Joe Biden appointed the judge in this case to the federal bench in 2021. Relatives of Renee Good have taken the next step towards filing a possible lawsuit. They have hired a Chicago-based law firm that says it will investigate her death with transparency. That same firm also represented the family of George Floyd following his murder in 2020. The firm shared a statement from Good's parents and her 4 siblings. It says she was the beautiful light of our family, who was a fountain of comfort with an abundant heart. They're asking for privacy while thanking everyone who has reached out in support. We have new details on the condition of the ICE agent who shot Renee Good. 2 U.S. officials who have been briefed on Jonathan Ross's injuries say he suffered internal bleeding to the torso. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem claims that Good hit Ross with her SUV. Earlier this week, Border Patrol Commander Greg Bavino told CBS News that Ross is recovering at a safe location. Well, we just learned moments ago that St. Paul Public Schools will be offering remote learning for students due to safety concerns. The district says that option will be available starting next Thursday, January 22nd. In order to prepare, the district says there will be no school next Tuesday and Wednesday. Students are already off Monday for the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday.